Okay. So here's what we got. You want to calculate each unit rate. We talked about it's like you're driving down the highway or something like that in your parents' car, and then the speedometer reads what? Kilometers per hour, right? So those are the units we're trying to find, kilometers per hour. Right? What is this telling me to do? It's telling me to take the kilometers, the number of kilometers, and divide it by the number of hours.
It is 90.
Hey, what?
90.
Okay, good. 90 what? Don't forget your units.
94 kilometers per hour.
Thank you. That's important. Then we know what's going on. So you're saying
94.
we're going to take
94.
750 kilometers divided by 8 hours. That's going to equal 94, you said?
94, yeah.
94 kilometers per hour. Good. Do you want to do we have to do all three? Do we have to do all three from number one? Okay, you guys get the idea. You want to do all three from number one? Can we move on? Okay, it's the exact same thing. You're just like putting one number over the other. Okay, let's do this one. I think tripped some people up because we're like, yeah, 3. Because we're like, what am I dividing by what? Oh, you know now. Yeah.
So if you do, so it says five limes cost $1.30. When you do 5 divided by $1.30.
Okay, let's do what you said.
5 divided by.
What are your units gonna be?
Cents, dollars.
Okay, hold on. We're gonna get a number of something per dollar. Does that make sense? Does that match our unit rate?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Are you 200% sure? What's my unit rate? What do I want? It's not bad.
How much it costs?
Per number. Dollar per number.
Oh.
You just gotta flip it.
It says $4 per hour.
Okay, here.
5 lines per hour.
We want to know how much it costs for the item, right?
$4.
So you go cost.
$1.30
Actually travel at 5 lines per hour.
divided by 5. Is it 4?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I did the math. It's 4.
Check it again.
It's 4.
Here, check again. Do 130, 1.30.
What question are we on?
What do you mean what question on? We have a circle here right beside it.
Question, wait, number 3, question 1.
3A, yeah.
3A. Oh, I got 26 cents per line.
Okay. $0.26
It is. Okay, that's what I thought.
per lime. Very good.
It is 38. 3.8, but you would round up to 4.
3.8 round up to 4. You've got the numbers backwards. You gotta flip them. Flip the numbers.
Yeah, that's what I had the first time.
Yeah.
I flipped them around and got the right one. Because I checked it, how I checked it was I timed it by the amount and then I checked it.
Yeah. You gotta yeah. So if I wanted to figure out, like if you were in Bulk Barn and you wanted to figure out how much, like, I don't know, if Bulk Barn sold limes, you wanted 5 limes or 10 limes or whatever, you'd take this number, 0.26, multiplied by 10. $2.60. That's how much it would cost you for 10 limes. It's a powerful thing, this unit rate, because you can figure out however many number. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, so those are all the same. You got to put the dollars over the number in units. Okay? Number 6. A cookie recipe calls for 40 milliliters of chocolate chips to make 80 cookies. What are we going to do?
I got 5 milliliters per cookie.
So you decided to go
I did 80 divided by.
80. You did 80 divided by?
No, 400 milliliters divided by 80, and I got 5 milliliters per cookie.
5 milliliters per cookie.
And then a photocopy machine prints 400 pages in 2 minutes. just did it, I did 200 pages in 1 minute. and
Sure. Yeah.
I got 333, or 3.33 per sec, or, I don't know.
Here's the important part. These questions do not change fundamentally. Okay, you gotta like think about what's happening. But let's look at the units.
200.
Yeah, it's 200, but it's 200 because of the units. I want to know how many pages per minute. So I better take the 400 pages and divide it by 2 minutes. Because then it's going to tell me pages per minute. Yes? Oh, okay, yeah. Are we doing C?
Yeah.
Okay.
13 rotations.
Okay, hold on. What did you do?
I did
150
150
Rot-
divided by 5. And this gave me 13.
30 rotations per minute,
Thank you. You must always state units.
30 RPM,
Yeah, it's about
30 bananas per minute.
If you're a competitive eater, maybe.
My ceiling fan turns at 30 bananas per minute. 30 bananas per minute?
You get free bananas.
Okay,
Yeah. How about
let's do number 11.
11?
Number 11, yeah. This is important because you guys want to make the most amount of money as you can. So you want to pick a job that's going to give you the most money. You want to do, let's do A. You can do A. Ter- what?
It makes the same.
Are they the same?
No.
Let's check it.
How did my calculations get the same number?
I don't know. Let's find out.
It came with 9.5 for the top one. It came out with 9 for the bottom.
Oh, that's not the
Yeah,
same.
That's not the same, that's what I got.
It's close. Close. What is? It's right. You're just interpreting it differently. You go watch it.
Like both
Yeah.
people make the same amount.
No, they don't.
Same brain.
Terry gets
So
paid
what
50
did I
cents
tell you,
more.
what number comes before the decimal?
Very
So
right.
$9. What is the point five? That's a
50
piece
cents
of
per
a
number.
number.
Wait, is it 5
So
or
it's
50?
half of a dollar.
50 cents. It's 50 cents, right?
So it makes 9
25 would be half a dollar.
Yeah. So it's 50 cents.
Right, who makes more?
90 the next one?
Hold on. I have to do the first one.
Oh, alright.
But
So-
it's basically the same number.
How much? If you go get a part-time job, how do they pay you?
50 cents.
By the dollar, or by the hour?
So dollars per hour, right? So then you better do dollars per hour as your calculation,
It's going to be a couple dollar difference.
right?
Depends on how many hours I work.
So go find the two numbers that I told you in the question. $38
It's still not going to be very much of a difference.
divided by
50 cents is still a difference, though.
4 hours. What'd you get for that one? 9.5?
What? Oh,
Or is that 9?
for Terry, I got 9.5, and for Josie, I got 9. For Jose, I don't really know.
So that's for Terry.
Terry, 9.5, okay. Josie, 9. For Jose.
So we're gonna get.
I think it's Jose, because there's a next one they do on.
Oh, son. That's fancy. 90 divided by what? 35? 10. Sorry, 10. It's $90 divided by 10 hours of work. That's how much you got paid, right? So that's $9 per hour. Who makes more money?
Terry,
Okay, there you go.
50 cents more.
There's the numbers bigger. Therefore, Terry makes 50 cents more per hour.
The microphone good enough on your iPad to be able to pick up our questions, or?
No, it's off my MacBook. It might not. I think you can hear him sometimes. We can find out later when we watch videos.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. Okay, that's good. Everybody any questions?